And we are back. So the audio seems like it's going pretty well. Not just mumbling to myself. It seems like phrases I'm choosing are actually making sense. So that's good. So coming back to a notification that this toilet is inaccessible, and yeah, you know what? I'd have to agree. Definitely seems like it would be hard to reach this toilet. You know, rest in peace, Mr. Toilet. You've done your duty. I'm just gonna put it right there. Perfect. Alright. Priority out of the way. Let's get these circle jerks up and running. Because guests love to be jerked in a circle. There's no other way that can be construed. It's just a fact. Okay. Alright. Let's get the old path indicator. So again, this is actually lower than this. Okay, yeah, from this angle, yeah. Alright, that degree. Nice. Step right up. There's like a little entertainer in the back room. Giving people rub-offs. Yeah. That's probably what's happening. Cause I don't see how this could be so entertaining. Like, can you imagine paying $6 for this? Like, people do it, man. Probably getting some side action in there. Like, hey, that's a pretty good deal, man. Pretty good deal. Like, what's going on here, man? I feel like, just proving my mastery of the game. Excellent. Still find it funny that we got the safest park award right after the dependable Woody crashed. So I mean that's just telling you the competition, man. We are just it is a dog eat dog world out there in the park world. They're just greenlighting some highly unethical decisions when it comes to a entertainment piece. Let's call it. Let's call it that. Yeah, yeah. It's an entertainment piece that just has a slight possibility of killing you. That's about like, how is this helpful? Oh, okay. So they just like point me to the side of a mountain. I'm like, oh yeah, this explains everything. Thank you, game. Silly me, dude. There's a mascot there too. All right, you guys, you're just gonna live in the mountain, okay? You're just gonna be mountain men, just wildly dancing in there. Okay. Alright, just gonna get the old flush the log going. I feel now's a good time. It's a good time for the log. Just gotta find a nice spot for it. Wrong button. You know what? I'm swimming in the cash. I'm just gonna start leveling things. I'm at the point where nature tells me I can't, and I pull out the old shovel and say I can. Alright, flush. We're gonna flush some logs. We're gonna flush. We're gonna flush. Nice. Another efficient design. If I do say so myself. It's got a really good throughput that I hope I get to show off here once customers start lining up, because they will line up. They freaking love their water rides. They will drop everything to go flush the log. Flush the log and get jerked in a circ, man. Like, that is just... they're getting their money here. They're getting their money's worth here. So it's... Things are happening. Just don't question it. They're happening. It's happening. It's safe over here. It's safe. We've got some safe spaces. If you're feeling anxious, we got some safe spaces, man. We're the safest park. You want to see our certificate? It's right here, man. Signed by Dr. Fun Times. How more legit do you need it? Come on. Step right up. Step right up. Notice? Got some more reeds. Increases the excitement. It's more exciting. Who doesn't love flushing the logs around some reeds? No one. No one doesn't like that. Come on. Let's be reasonable. They're just lining up for circle jerk. Holy shit. I just want to see the message. Been queuing for circle jerk for ages. Yes. Yes, you have. Yes. Yes, you have. I need to grow up. Don't mind me. So I just noticed the path is disgusting. I probably need to go fix that before someone just goes into a nerd rage. Starts snapping benches in half. Come on. Where does it say this path is disgusting? Could've sworn I saw it. Whatever. We're actually really close to the scenario goals here. 1,300 guests by year 3. Okay, so this just shows you how strong advertisements are. You just advertise, and there is no problem. You will just get more guests than you could ever freaking want. Just build some pre-made. I mean, like, this is a custom. This is also a custom. And I think I actually got both concepts from Marcel. So, like, they're just, like, high quality vehicles. This one I did myself with the knowledge that I learned from one of Marcel's video that log fumes are actually lighter and they don't have a gas, so but they're excuse me, they're heavier and they do have the gas, so they go up these little lifts a lot slower, so it actually translates to a longer processing time for these little sacks of money, which you'll be able to see in this window. So this number goes down if you don't have the interest key right at the top of the ride. I hope it doesn't sound too complicated, because now that I'm rethinking it, it does sound really complicated. But long story short, okay, I just make the cart empty it out at the bottom so that it gets to the top faster, so more people can ride. Long story short. And they love it. They just freaking love flushing the log. This is like a really good money maker for pay to ride scenarios. Is this attached? Yes, okay, it is. Perfect. All coming to plan. collect some more samples. We'll be processing in the lab, boys. For what? I couldn't tell you. Classified. It's classified. Yes, dude, 2 awards. Look at this. Oh, I lost my other award. But whatever. My roller coasters are the best. Clearly, there's so much variety. It's just, do you want to get jerked in a circ? How about jerk in a circ? Or my favorite, jerked in a circ. It's just the variety. I have some more handyman because there's a lot of trash here. Yeah, I think I'm oversaying the name of that ride, so I'll give it a break. But we're almost at the goal here. I just don't even want to fast forward. It's just been such a good time, you know, just chilling in this giant dirt pit that I somehow managed to miss and spend a little bit trying to build over here. You know, clearly, I have nothing left to learn. I am just the best RTC player in the universe. That's a joke, please. That's a joke. All right. Nope. See if I want to make some more videos. Definitely want to upload a lot of different types of content. Like, got a trip to Egypt. Some videos I wanted to upload, and might even do some ghost hunting. So stay tuned if you want. If not, good luck venturing through the dark side of the internet. Godspeed, my friend.